This one's number 3, between the central reservation and the right-hand lane. The central reservation is the barrier that separates you and the oncoming traffic. There are lots of questions that pop up on the theory test about the colour of the studs on a motorway, so learn them. This one's number 2. People sometimes call the right-hand lane the fast lane. This is incorrect. All of the lanes on the motorway are normally at a speed of 70 miles an hour. Lane 1 is for driving and all other lanes are for overtaking. It's number 3, obey the speed limit, because sometimes roadworks have a reduced speed limit. The one in this clip has a 50 mile an hour sign, and that limit is there to protect the road workers on the motorway. You should obey it to keep everyone safe, and also cameras are sometimes used to enforce reduced speed limits at roadworks. It's number 1, you need to look much further ahead than you do on other roads. If there's a problem or a hazard ahead, then you'll have more time to react to it. It's number 3, 60 miles an hour. Even if you're towing a small and light trailer, side winds can sometimes affect it when you're traveling at higher speeds. Even if you know you're not going to be towing any trailers, you need to know this info to pass your theory test. So read up on the rules and regulations around towing a trailer on a motorway. It's number 1, they are green. Slip roads are where you join or leave a motorway, sometimes also called acceleration or deceleration lanes. It's number 3. They are countdown markers to an exit. The countdown markers start at 300 yards and then they're placed every 100 yards until you get to the slip road. The countdown markers are particularly useful at high speeds. They give you help to plan when to signal and when to expect to see the slip road come up that you need to leave at. It's number 4. In an emergency, you should not stop on motorways unless you're told to by traffic controllers or signals, unless you have an emergency or breakdown, in which case get to the hard shoulder, find an emergency telephone and call for help. It's number 2. Yellow signs on the motorway tell you about roadworks and diversion routes. Pay special attention to these because even if you know the route really well, a change might be coming up that you're not expecting due to the roadworks.